Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can make a combat system in Roblox Studio. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox Studio app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the combat model into your studio and drag these 4 files under the replicated storage heading. Now, drag these 2 files under the designated headings. Once done, navigate to the animation file and choose the actions based on your type of character. After selecting the animation, right-click, select Save to Roblox and copy this ID number. Now, paste the ID onto that of combat animation. Repeat this process for all of the animations. You can also change the settings based on your preference. Once done, you will be able to play the game. That's how you can make a combat system in Roblox Studio. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.